So last week we made a vinyl decal for a Christmas sign. Today we're making two easy iron-on projects using a mini heat press for Christmas gifts. This tiny machine is so fun. The first project is customizing this cosmetic bag from Dollar Tree, which is really simple, and I love the two-tone look. I have pre-cut my iron-on vinyl, and these are both Cricut brand, and I'll put the names on the screen. I searched makeup bag in Cricut design space and found a cute image that I thought was perfect for this. But because I'm using two different vinyls, I split the design by adding a square over the wording, selecting everything, and using slice in the actions menu. Then I made it so each part of the design was on a separate cutting mat. Don't forget to select mirror before cutting and put your vinyl shiny side down on the mat. Here are my cuts, and we are ready to iron on right after we weed the excess vinyl, which is so much easier with iron on because it's not sticky. I set my mini heat press to the lowest heat setting based on the temperature chart on the HTVRont website, and always use a lint roller before applying any iron on. I did a combination of pressing and ironing for about 30 seconds overall and waited for it to cool completely before peeling up the carrier sheet. And oops, I should have been using my heat press mat, but my cutting mat survived. I flipped my project and pressed the back for good measure, and then followed the same steps for the other part of the design. And I think this turned out super cute. It is the perfect idea for personalizing a gift on a budget. You could add a name on here, someone's favorite saying, whatever, use their favorite colors, whatever you like, but stuff it with all kinds of stuff and you have a cute personalized gift on the cheap. Okay, so we did a makeup bag and I had to do a men's travel bag too. This one is also from Dollar Tree, and I'll quickly show you the design and then give you my thoughts on that mini heat press. I used some smart iron-on vinyl scraps that I had on hand for this one in this gold color, and in Cricut Design Space I found an image that says things, that is just a cutout, and I added text to say man above it. I cut both in the same color iron-on, and because that image is a cutout, it gives a nice contrast with this green bag. Again, I follow those same steps, keeping the same heat setting for this material, and here you go. Super easy, quick gift idea. Stuff it with whatever you like. Some nice cologne, some socks, hand lotion, whatever you like, and you have a nice budget gift idea. So a few thoughts on the HTVRont mini heat press. I paid $39.99, which I think is a great price. It is currently on sale for a little cheaper, and I like the size of it. It's definitely bigger than the Cricut brand mini heat press. It is very simple to use, and I like the 3 heat setting options. The only con I have is the minimal information for what temperature setting to use for different types of iron-on, vinyl, and for different types of fabrics. So it's kind of a guessing game, but I suggest trying a small test piece when you can so you don't ruin any expensive vinyl or fabric. Let me know what you thought of these two easy iron-on ideas using the mini heat press, and if you're new to Cricut and vinyl crafts, check out the video on the screen, and I'll see you in the next one.